그냥
I think it's better for us because we don't need to travel. But I'm not deciding nothing. You ask me, I give my opinion.
Pertanyaan berikutnya.
Saw Arema. I saw Arema and Percy some matches, but I will analyze again Arema. I think Arema have a good team, good players. They have a good competition, position by position. 1-2 players that can make very good the position is good for a tournament like this, because maybe one player play 1 hour and the other player play 30 minutes or 45. They don't lose 8 players from the last season, and they bring good players this season. So going to be a tough match. And of course, with this environment, I think if we can play here again, I think it's better. Also because, see, I think it's very unfair. Not that now we need to make a travel to other place, because the other teams like Arema have 1 day and half more than us, and this can make all the difference. So if they not make a recovery and without make a good recovery need to travel, so the players are not machine. They're going to be dead on the play, on the game.